This is Code.org. I'm currently working on their CS Fundamentals class. I'm on course D, Lesson 5, Events in Bounce, Part 1. Get to the hoop. Attach a block to the win left arrow event and press run to move the player to the net. Okay, let's give it a shot. Win left arrow, okay, to move the player to the net. Let's try moving to the left. Attach a block to the win left arrow, move left. Oh, do I have to hit it? Ah, that would make sense. Net. Haha. So I actually needed to hit the left arrow. Understand. Awesome. So I just attached that, hit run, and then hit left arrow. Oh, and I bet run. Rah! I could also press right there. Cool. Let's keep going.